To detect power outages, we'll use a relay with a 230-volt coil. In our case, we connected it to pin 26 of our Raspberry Pi. The relay has a delay due to its mechanical operation, but power outages it doesn't detect won't affect most installations. One way to know if there's been a power outage is to install a self-latching relay that, when you press the Connect button, remains on until the power is cut off. If it's down, there's been a power outage. To configure our notification system, we'll need to have installed Home Assistant with hacks and a notification system. We use Gmail, but it could be done with Telegram, and even a notification to the mobile phone app. First, we'll install the GPIOD integration. We'll need to go to Custom Integrations and enter the link. Add. In our case, we already have it added. If we search for it, it appears. Open it and download it. We'll see that a restart is required. Now, we'll configure the input as a binary sensor by pasting the code whose link is in the video description. Save. Check the configuration and restart. We need to create a helper to save the start time of the cut. Configuration, Devices and Services, Helpers, Create Helper, Number. We use number because even though time variables exist, they don't store milliseconds, and we're interested in them to quantify micro power outages. Name and parameterize according to the helper.txt cheat sheet in the video description. Now we just need to create the automation. Settings, Automations and Scenes, Create Automation, New Automation, Edit Points in YAML. Go to the automation in the video description. Copy Ctrl+C. Replace all content by pasting the code. Save with the new name. Go to the visual editor, where we create a brief description. As a trigger, every time electrical power changes state. Define one variable for the time and another for the state. If the state is off, we save the time in the numeric variable. Otherwise, on, we define the variables for off time, on time, and duration. All in milliseconds. We wait 5 minutes, in case the power failure causes the Ethernet to drop. And finally, we send the email. This is how the email looks on the mobile phone. Bay Bay.